In military conflicts, vehicles are the core of military operations and are also the most vulnerable targets. Large vehicles, due to their size, high value, and lack of maneuverability, are more susceptible to attacks from drone swarms. With high-precision image control, FPV drones can accurately strike weak points, such as the top armor, engine compartment, tracks, suspension systems, optical equipment, and turret sensors of tanks, delivering a critical blow. Even FPVs that have lost their images can still cause significant damage to vehicles due to their immense inertia. This is equally fatal for barracks and frontline ammunition depots. The advancing battlefield requires defensive equipment that can be durable, wide-ranging, and quickly deployable. In response to the above situations, the AT-625 was born. It uses SDR technology to effectively block the control signals, image transmission signals, and navigation signals of FPVs and UAVs to drop enemy drones immediately within a dome of 2 kilometers. It will provide continuous protection for the convoy. Currently, the AT-625 has been deployed to the troops.